Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook nearby friends option not showing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, then you need to click on three bars. So here you will find the option of nearby friends, but you can see that currently it is not showing. So you simply need to go back and hold on Facebook, and then you need to click on app info, and once you are in app info you simply need to click on storage and cache, and first you need to click on clear cache and clear storage. Once you done that, you simply need to click on permissions and allow all permissions to Facebook. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and uninstall the Facebook, and then you need to open Play Store and install Facebook application again. And after that, you need to turn off your smartphone and turn on your smartphone again, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So this is the process by which you can fix Facebook nearby friends option not showing. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.